Hello everyone, I'm Drew with Mobility Scooters Direct. Wanted to show you the Pride Mobility Victory 10.2 four-wheel mobility scooter. It's a really great scooter that Pride Mobility has come out with. With its standard batteries, you can go up to 11 miles per charge. There's an upgradable from the standard U1s to the 40 amp hour batteries, which give you about 13.5 miles per charge. The scooter itself goes 5.5 miles per hour with a 400-pound weight capacity. It has a lot of great features. Some things I want to compare it to is the model I'd like to compare it to is the Pride Victory 10, which is basically the same lower half, but the tiller assembly on the 10.2 has been upgraded. The features on the tiller of the Victory 10.2, it's your simple on and off key. It's been the same for quite some time. It has a new digital LED battery indicator. Of course, showing a full charge. As the lights disappear, indicates the discharge. This is your speed control. All the way to the right side or clockwise would be the fastest, or the rabbit, and you turn it counterclockwise to the turtle, which would make it at its slowest. You are in full control by how much tension you place on this throttle. So you can make the scooter go really slow, or top speed 5.5 miles per hour. Here we have our light switch for our front LED, and this is our light switch for our puddle light, which is basically a reading light, and you'll be at nighttime you'll be able to see the lower deck of the scooter. You have a horn, and again, this is your throttle. Can be used for one-handed use. Use your trigger finger to make it go forward or backward, one-handed on each side. We're going to go a little bit further in here with the molded cup holder. This is for bottles of water or any cup that has a lid on it. Your easy access charging port is located here. That's an XLR, and you have a USB port for charging your handheld devices. Here, because of all the electronics and the possibility of surges, power surges, these are your fuses. You can find these fuses at any automotive store or Walmart, really any department store. They're very common. They're 1, 3, 5, and 10 amp fuses. In the event that you have a power surge or going over cobblestone, this is your reset breaker for your batteries. So vibrations will cause the batteries to cut out. You can just hit that and restart the unit. Some of the features you can see right off the bat about the 10.2 is the fact that it has lights on the front end of the tiller here. They are pretty nice. They're stylish. Would you mind cutting the lights for a second? So as you can see, it definitely has a nice effect to it. And of course, you have the adjustable front tiller plate as well for seeing in front of you at nighttime or in the morning. Even though it's a big scooter, it has a capacity of 400 pounds, you can still take it apart. Fold this down. We're just going to lift straight up from the bottom of the seat. Here's our shroud cover. It's just held on with Velcro between these two joints. Let's just pull this back. Comes right off. You have the battery strap. Disconnect that. Now you can take both your batteries out after you just pull up on the cables. Pride Mobility's Feather Touch Disassembly allows the scooter to come apart very simply by lifting up on this handle and pulling up on this post, separating two halves. To put it back together, we take these two hooks and we put them on the bottom outside bar. Now we're going to go ahead and put the batteries back in. Doesn't matter which harness you plug it into, just as long as white, white, black, black. There's no plugging the batteries in wrong. Can't. White, white, black, black. Put our safety harness on. We're going to tighten that down. We're going to put our shroud cover back on. We're going to line up these two divots into the bottom holes. We're just going to flip forward. And just push it so it's nice and level. The Velcro grabs it. Put the seat on. And there you have it. What I also like about this scooter is the stitching on the seat. It's got the black vinyl, however it's got white stitching, so the contrast is really nice. I really like it. It has a sliding seat too, which can bring it closer to the tiller. Overall, I would give this scooter a solid 8.5. It's very durable. It's Pride Victory. All of our Pride Mobility products come with a 1-year in-home service contract, parts and labor. So keep that in mind when purchasing from mobilityscootersdirect.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.